Hello friends and welcome on another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to learn continuous past tense. In our last lecture we learned about continuous present tense. We saw some sentences as well, and today we are going to learn continuous past tense, fifth tense, that is continuous past tense. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that we get supported and you also don't miss any update. Let's move on to the fifth tense, continuous past tense. The positive negative formula is there on your screen at the moment. Positive subject plus was were plus verb ing plus object, negative subject plus was were plus not plus verb ing plus object. So instead of am is are in continuous present tense, we are going to use was were in continuous past tense, and was is used in singular subjects and were is used in plural subjects. Verb ing form of the verb is used simultaneously as continuous present tense. And those who want to start learning from the first tense itself, not the first lecture but first tense, they can refer to the lectures starting from lecture number 12 in our playlist. So guys, write down all these things that you can see on your screen at the moment, and I'm quickly moving ahead. You can pause the video and write down all the things and understand. If you have any comments, please share your comments in our comment section, and I will reply you as soon as possible. So let's move on to the next screen for practice sentences. And the feature about today's practice sentences is these sentences have been designed in a way that it represents a short story as well. So the first two sentences are there on your screen at the moment. The class teacher was taking attendance of students, and obviously the class teacher was not taking a class of students. So negative sentences are of such nature that they do not change the meaning of positive sentences always. So that can be practiced over here on our channel as well, because negative sentences are also of much importance. Second sentence, my friend was talking while studying in the class. My friend was not writing while studying in the class. So our story has already begun and we can see cohesiveness between the sentences. Let's move on to the next screen. You can pause the video and write them down into your notebook. So on second screen, third sentence is appearing. I was convincing my friend to behave good. So while all the things happening, I tried to convince my friend that please don't do this or do particular behave in a particular manner. So that is the sentence. I was convincing my friend to behave good. I was not convincing my friend to behave roughly or rough. Sir was expelling him out of the class to punish him. Sir observed all these things, the teacher observed all these things, and he or she tried to remove him out of the class so that the class can run smoothly. So sir was expelling him out of the class to punish him, and in negative, sir was not expelling him out of the school. So it was a mild punishment. So let's move on to the next screen, guys. Fifth sentence, he was showing tantrums while going out of the class. He was not showing respect while going out. So this is what my friend was doing, and I'm trying to tell you a story in a way that continuous past tense sentences can be practiced in an effective manner, including all the varieties on all the grammar things that we have learned till now on our channel. We were making fun of him by laughing at him. We were not encouraging him by supporting him. So these are the sentences that are in correlation between the sentences that are appearing on the screen. Seventh sentence, he was regretting for his crime while standing outside. So what was happening within his mind? So he was regretting for his crime while standing outside of the classroom. And in negative, he was not enjoying while standing outside. Sorry guys, he was not enjoying while standing outside. So obviously it is not a pleasure moment for somebody is punished, and particularly the one who is getting punished is or would always regret or repent. So let's move on to the eighth sentence. it is in the conformity of the previous sentence. The class teacher was thinking to call him in. The teacher was not thinking to punish him more. So these are all the things that we can accommodate. You can create more stories, short stories like this, and practice today's tense, continuous past tense, or you can practice any tense and any sentence structure in English language. So let's move on to the next screen, guys. Ninth sentence, the last two in today's lecture. We are going to represent, we are going to give 10 sentences, and out of them the ninth sentence is there on your screen at the moment. All students were listening the teacher peacefully, so I tried to accommodate everyone into this short story. All students were not ignoring the lecture carelessly, so that is the gist. And all these things, I mean, the ideas are being implanted that what should we ideally do while we are studying. So we are learning so many things, not just English grammar and vocabulary, but we are learning some good ideas as well, some good thoughts as well, that are being implanted using the medium of short stories and these practice sentences in continuous past tense. So guys, I hope this information will be really fun for you, and it will help you to boost your knowledge of tenses. And you can write down all the things in your note and practice more and more sentences like this. You can create more short stories like this, and I hope it will be really beneficial for you to learn English communication skills. So don't forget to like, comment and share our channel, subscribe our channel, so that your family and friends, they also get to learn English skills step by step. And in our coming lecture we will try to cover another tense as well. So until then, stay tuned on our channel and take care. See you soon. Thank you for joining us today.